Yes, my people, welcome each and every one. So today, as you actually see, we're in a cherry orchard doing some work. I want to take the time out and send a very important message back to my beautiful country, Jamaica, to each and every new for America who is about to head to Canada this season. Yeah, when they coming here to pick the apples or cherries, I want to send this message to you. This message is for you. I want to tell you guys, when you come here, please be prepared to do some hard work. Ain't no better roads, guys. And next, I want to send a message to the people who thinking about coming here and work when you feel like. Guys, remember, cherry season lasts for 6 weeks. Some of you will be coming here for 6 weeks. So please make the best of it, guys. Look, that's a cherry on the tree to pick. You can come, you can go back with a nice little change, guys. Some man, when them come, they make the first paycheck. That's it for them. And then buy everything that's they think they need. And when they go back, you have nothing to show. Yeah, man. Let's come here, guys, work, put it to the best use. Yeah, man. Don't girl it out. Look around, guys. You can see a lot of cherry right around. And this is just one row. Just imagine the whole field, 3-4 field. Yes, my people. So please come prepared to make some money, and that you can work to get your requests. Who knows how hard you work and how much you pick during the season. The boss maybe like your hard contribution and give you a chance over in the apple. So please come and put out your best. You know? Yeah. Good morning, George.
Good morning, boss. On the job again this morning, live and direct, cherry for days.
Cherry.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So in the meantime, we just have to show you guys around, you know? And give you guys a tour. Like you have a glimpse of what it is like, you know? Yeah. Cherry, man, cherry for days. Cherry. Yeah, man. Bunch, cherry. Cherry, my people, cherry for days, man. Yeah, and when we say hard work, we mean work smart. We don't mean you to work fast and stupid and where you end up where you fell off the ladder and hurt yourself. Yeah, you fell off leather, you get a broken hand, broken foot, you get some money. But remember, you're gonna, depends on how bad your hand or your feet broke. Remember, you're gonna live with that forever. But in our case, you fell off, broke, and they have to amputate that foot or that hand. So work hard but smart. Not foolish, not stupid. The people. Yeah, man. That's what I got. Cherry around. So like I say, be prepared. Yeah, man. Eat healthy. Plan. Drink a lot of water. Keep the body hydrated. You know? Yeah, man. Don't make the body run down. Don't make the body get dehydrated. Drink a lot of water when you come, guys. Yeah, man. Look. Cherry. Cherry. All around. Right around, as you can see. Cherry. Lots of cherry there, man. Cherry there for you to pick. Come pick cherry. Make some money for your family. Is it? Money there have to make for your family. Lele! Man, work. Try God. Cherry for days, man.
Them cherry, I skin of them name.
Yeah, man.
Them kind of big on the rest.
See?
Yeah. So the guys when come up next week, they have a lot of cherry to pick. I'm telling you. And Remember, man, run and walk. Don't look out for cherry. Run and walk.
Yeah, man. Cherry, 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 cherry. All around, right around. Cherry, cherry, cherry. Cherry for days. Yeah, man. Canadian cherry. Yes, my people. So this morning we out and about this morning, another morning. Come back to do some cherry pruning. So yes, guys, we're there. I head back in the field. It's a good day today, man. Place dry up. Yeah, man. Kaboom.
Up there.
Yeah, man. Cherry for days. Yeah, man. Right around, man. Orchard big. Cherry, man. Cherry for days. Cherry. Yeah, man. Bunch. Cherry. Cherry, my people. Cherry for days, man. Heading on the job. As you can see, right around, guys. Lots of cherry. So we're in the field today. Doing some cherry pruning. Back again, my people. I mean, I tell you, the cherry them so beautiful, my people. Look what cherry. All around, right around. Cherry, cherry, cherry. Cherry for days. Yeah, man. Canadian cherry. Remember, I'm telling you, say we are doing some pruning. So I'm showing you where I go on. Mr. George.
Yes, man. This is the thing, you know. I will come back again. I do look up cherry pruning, you know. I get the cherry them like sunlight.
See it?
So just stay tuned.
Yeah, man.
Out.
Yeah, man. We back at it again, my people. Cherry, cherry, cherry.
Yeah, you know, your man say we bought milk and work for him at 2 o'clock if I wake in the night. He can't even turn good, cracky out to broke.
Yeah, man.
Make it deep.
Yeah, man. Farmer can say if you drink goat milk, my people.
Real lift.
Yeah, man. Goat milk keep you up, make you work long. Cherry for days.
Out here, you know.
Good cherry! What have my people? Cherry there. Cherry there, man. Cherry there. All around, right around. You can just show the cherry, so. A galang. Cherry, cherry. Cherry. And not just cherry, you know, my people. Cherry, them looking so juicy full. Yeah, man. And I want to tell you, my people, them small now, them not reach the size yet. Cause them not pick for now. I don't see them red. Them not get that dark look yet, so you know, with a couple of weeks away. And we there in I feel still have to do some pruning and let in some more sunlight on them, my people. And me there with Kabu, me I teach him and him I learn. You know, boy I learn, man, he can learn. Yeah, man. Cherry, 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 cherry. Cherry for days, my people, man. Cherry. Yeah, man. Cherry, 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 cherry. Cherry for days. Look around, look around. Cherry, 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 cherry. Canadian cherry. Right around, man. Cherry for days. Yeah, man. Cherry for days. Cherry. Staccato, Regina, Sweetheart, Centennial, Skeena. Cherry, cherry, cherry. Cherry for days.
nice one. I tell them, man. Yeah, they do a good job with that one. I've learned that. Them thing original and official.
I saw you looking at me people. I said we have to get rid of the bush. We have to get a D-bush style. And make it look like oh you see here, so look. Look funny difference in couple trees over there. So we want to look, you know. So me I go to a bird eye view. You know? See it? Yeah, man.
Every cherry in that if you look for that one.
Thank you, man. Let's take a hot of ball. And let's take off jeans pants there. They say, get up off her belly in his jam back, he can't. I don't know about all sickness. That never in there time here, we never know about it. Put up in for you. Okay, let's see.
Which one going on now? Say, yo, that boy got this one.
Cherry. Rain, my people, rain run with, rain a fall. So we have to head home, head to the bus. Yes, my people, we have some showers of blessing, you know. So we are head home. Them say severe thunderstorm. So we are head home, guys. It was a lovely outing today, guys, you know. Even though I never get to catch as much clips, as much action I wanted to, but God is the greatest, you know. Nice to have you every time, and every time it's a joy having you, my people. Can you hear in the background? Thunder! Yeah. Bye bye, Cherry. Bye bye, Cherry. We're going home.